folks, citrus is in. We've got Meyer lemons, thornless key limes, calamondins, and yuzu lemon. So not all in the same size. In the larger size that you see here, we've got the thornless key lime and the Meyer lemon. In the smaller size, we have the thornless key lime, the Meyer lemon, as well as the calamondin, so that's a mandarin equivalent, and a yuzu lemon. So the yuzu is a little bit cold hardier, but can't stay out the whole winter. But nice zesting lemon and juicing. Quite sour on the flavor. Meyer lemon's a little sweeter. Yuzu is going to be quite sour. And then the yuzu will have a thicker skin as well, so get a little bit more zest out of them. So again, the smaller size is 24, larger size is 48. They're in stock. Come on out. We look forward to serving you.